Hey guys, if this is your first time meeting me, my name is Haig Earl, and I'm a landscape nature photographer. I've been trying to break into commercial photographic ranks as a landscape photographer, but mostly I do stock. And this website is going to probably primarily be dedicated to uh, how I take my stock images, what I use for selecting the images that I upload, and exactly what I'm looking for when I create a stock image. Uh, this is the publication of my blog and my website. So what I wanted to do was take you guys on a photo shoot with me. I'm looking at area in my hometown. It's called Chenault Park. It's a golf course and it's a park, public park. And there is a small pond in the park. And I wanted to go and take some images so that I could upload them to my stock sites. So what I want to do is take you guys along on this my inaugural publishing of my blog and my website and show you the steps that I take to create stock images. I think I'll take you step by step. The creation of the image, probably the editing of it, and then also placing that image with a stock agency, having it reviewed, and then putting it online. So let's get into this video. Yeah, so I figured today would be a good day to do some shooting. It's nice outside. The sky is got a nice color of blue in it, and there's an area that I want to go check out to see exactly if I can get some good landscape shots. Rebel T6. This is the first DSLR that I purchased, digital camera that I purchased, and it's at the bottom of Canon's lineup. It's a no-frill camera. It can take video, but it takes really good still images, and that was the reason why I got it first. Because at the time that I got this, I wasn't thinking about creating a YouTube channel and having to use video. So the video capabilities of this camera did not impress me. I was more impressed with the color science and the affordability of the camera. So this is what I'm gonna start off first with. Do the Canon, the Rebel T6 first, and see what I can get from that. Okay, so as you can see, this is the scene that I'm faced with. As you can see, the trees are denuded. No foliage on them whatsoever, so they're just stark sticks up against the sky. The little lake that they formed inside the park is very, very nice, and the trees make a landscape that's impressing me. But this is kind of bland. But when you include this little pagoda, dock, whatever you want to call it, into the mix, it actually does something for the image. So okay, I put my Sigma 10 to 20 millimeter on my T6 so that I could get the whole of the little lake here. Okay, so this is the Canon 80D. It's got the 10 to 20 millimeter Sigma lens on it. So I'm gonna take the same picture of the foliage with the lake as the backdrop. Time lapse. Now this 80D has the ability to stitch together a time lapse in camera, which is something that this won't do. And I love it because it's a feature that lets me be creative without having to really bust my chops to do it. Back and edit them. And then once I edit them and I pick out the ones that I want to send to the different stock agencies, I'll do that. Okay, so I can see at least 5 that I'd like to upload. So I'm gonna go on and pick those out, upload them. This is to Adobe stock. Once they're uploaded, I've already put the metadata that's required when you upload images to your stock site. And once I click that there are no visible people in there and I submit it, I should be able to go to the next site. I don't know if I'll put 5 in each one, and they may not be the same 5, but I'm going to at least put 15 up. I wanted to go and see if the 5 images had been accepted or not. Since they're not in the review column, let's see if they're in the not accepted file. Okay, no, I don't see them. So let's go to the dashboard and see whether or not they were accepted and if they're online already. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Well, they accepted all 5 of those. And then 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I did some sky replacements. They accepted those sky replacements. So yeah, all in all, it was a pretty good photo shoot. I would like to say that I have not been doing this stock photography too long, but I've made a few sales, and I'm enjoying doing it because I'm actually doing what I want to do. I'm taking images that I want to take. So anyway, this is it for the first inaugural blog of Selective Focus. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll come back to check my blog and my images out.